In the village of Ekene, there lived a girl named Adana. She was known for her extraordinary hair, thick, long, and black as the night sky. Whenever she walked, it flowed behind her like a river, making people stop and stare. Many suitors came to her father offering cows, land, and gold, but Adana refused them all. She only cared about her hair, spending hours braiding it in intricate patterns, decorating it with cowries and beads. But there was one rule in Ekene: no girl must braid her hair on the night of the blood moon. The elders warned, this is the night of the spirit of wavering forest, roaming searching for a head to claim. Adana, proud and stubborn, laughed. They are just stories to scare children, but some stories are true, right? The nights of the blood moon. One fateful night, the sky turned red as fire. The blood moon had arrived. The villagers stayed indoors, doors locked, fires burning low. But Adana sat before her mirror, weaving the most beautiful braid she had ever made. Her fingers moved swiftly, twisting, looping, pulling, then a whispered, "Who dares braid on our night?" Adana froze. The room was empty, yet the voice was everywhere. She turned to the mirror and screamed. Her reflection was braiding on its own, faster, tighter, moving as if it possessed. The braid stretched, slithering like a serpent, growing longer than her body. Adana tried to undo it, but her fingers wouldn't obey. The braiding coiled round her neck, tightening her. The whispers grew louder. "You were warned. Now you belong to us." She fell to the ground, gasping for air. The braid dragged her towards the door. The weaving forest. The villagers awoke to Adana's screams, but when they reached her hut, she was gone. Her footprints led to the forbidden weaving forest, a place no one dared to enter. The trees had long, black vines, twisting like hair. The ground was littered with broken combs and old beads, and it whined. Adana's voice whispered, "Some say if you go deep into the forest, you will see her hair still braiding itself endlessly, forever." To this day, no girl in Ekene dares to braid on the night of the blood moon, because the spirit of the weaving forest are still watching. Hope you enjoyed this story. Please stay tuned for more stories that will come your way on this channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up. This video is sponsored by Bridal.